Hello everyone, this is Neeraj. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm so excited to announce that we are going to build a fully functional blog website, and with the help of the popular stack, that is MERN stack. So let me just go to my screen and show you the website, and we'll also discuss about all the learning outcomes that we'll be getting while building this application. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm here on my computer screen, and you must be wondering that I had Windows OS, but recently I installed Linux OS. Alright, so let me just open Google Chrome, and as you can see, this awesome looking Blogify or blog app, and this is a MERN stack project. So actually this is hosting on two different providers, actually the front end and back end. So we will be learning about all these in the upcoming videos. Alright, so let me just quickly log into my account. Actually I had already created an account, so let me enter the password. Okay, so let me log in, and it will check if all these credentials are true, and as you can see, operation success, and it will navigate me to this home page. And here is the interesting part. Let me tell you, when I logged in, and as you can see inside these cookies, we are also setting the refresh token and access token, and whenever we do any action with API that request to the backend, we will use this access token to authorize the user and check if the user is authentic and not any bot or anyone just trying to mess with our backend app. And let me just show you, and actually my account is not activated, so it is saying you need to activate your account in order to fully access this site. So first of all, let me show you. This is home page, and this is your blog space where our blogs will be appeared here, but recently we don't have any blog. Okay, so let me show you, and inside this right, we must activate our account to start blogging. And inside this profile, I can see my profile as well, and this update avatar, please activate your profile to update your alright, please activate your account. It should be account, right? Okay, so let me quickly click on this, and it will just send me an email. Yep, email sent, and let me open. Okay, as you can see here, click the link to activate your account, and if I click here, it will just say account activated with graphical interface. And yep, here you might notice two things, that our front end is hosted on Vercel, but our backend is hosted on Render. So there are two different providers, and we are just going to host there and connect these two websites, which will make it MERN stack. And my account is successfully activated. Let me reload it. Okay, so as you can see, the alert error was now gone, and if I click here inside update avatar, and I can update it. Let me just quickly update it with avatar, and let me update profile. Okay, so as you can see, avatar updated successfully, and if I click here inside profile, alright, so as you can see, our avatar image, and I can also write an article. Let me just quickly write an article, my new article, and select image. Let me just quickly select an image which should be inside JavaScript, and might be React.js, blog app, front end, public, yep, card structure, yeah, ai.jpg. And inside description, let me add, this is my new blog. I can also format this. So yeah, we will also learn how we can implement a rich text editor in this blog application. I can also insert link if I want to, and if I will create a URL, let me just show you my personal website, personal site. And you can also choose whether you want to open this link in a new window or inside the current window. So I will say I want to open this in new window. Let me save it, and as you can see, this URL is now inserted. Let me click on write the article, and you will see this loading bar, and it will take some time. Yep, blog created. And as you can see, inside this home page, our blog is now shown. And inside this your blogs, I can also see this blog, and I can also quickly click on this blog to check this all the description. And as you can see, if I click here inside the link, it will open to another tab, which means I had clicked on new tab. Okay, so if I go here inside this profile, and as you can see, number of written articles 1. So we are also going to populate this number of articles written with aggregate. So we are also going to learn aggregation in this project. Let me just quickly add another one to show you some magic. I will say the another title inside select a image, it should be select an image. Yep, we will correct that. Inside description, this is another description. And if I click here on write the article, okay, so yep, blog created. Let me just show you the magic. We can actually structure this blog. Here, as you can see, this icon, if I click on this icon, it will become flex. Let me just show you. And as you can see, this is now became flex. And if I click again, it will become grid, which means column. So as I told earlier, I can open the description, and from this I can also open this profile, and it should show the profile based on this ID. If I delete this ID and pass the incorrect ID of profile, and if it doesn't found, and it will show you an warning, user couldn't be found. So we are going to see how we can implement this functionality in this application. Okay, so let me go here inside your blogs, and as you can see, all the blocks that I created is shown here. And if I click here log out, access and refresh token are now gone. So we enough talk about this website. Let me talk about the backend application. So inside this backend, we are going to use Express, Mongoose, and yep, Mongoose on cloud. We are also going to use Cloudinary to store all the assets file on this website. And for authorization and authentication, we are going to use JWT token that you must be familiar with if you have been working on backend. And on the front end, we are going to use Vite, of course, because it is a monostack project. And we are also going to use Tailwind CSS and Redux toolkit, the most important for management of the state of this application. And there are much more in this series to learn about. So we are also going to host this web application on 2 different providers, as I mentioned earlier, and it will help us to gain understanding about how 2 applications, which is backend and frontend, build on development and went to production. So we will also learn that from next video we are going to build this application. I know you guys are also excited about this application, and yep, we will make sure that our application will be production base ready, so that it will be easy for us to deploy all the applications. All right, So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye.